Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make this nutty, buttery keto bread. It is so good, y'all. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of almond flour, a fourth a cup of ground flaxseed, a fourth a cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. In the same bowl, add 4 large eggs that have been beaten, a fourth a cup of melted margarine, butter, or coconut oil, your choice, a fourth a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other keto-friendly milk, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir the mixture well so that all of the ingredients are well combined. Prepare an 8.5 inch by 4.5 inch loaf pan. Lightly spray it with a non-stick cooking spray and then add parchment paper. The spray will keep the parchment paper from rising up. Transfer the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Smooth out the top of the batter with a spatula. Bake your bread in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the bread is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the bread to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. It's best to let your bread cool completely on a wire rack before slicing, but y'all, I was so hungry that I didn't want to wait any longer, so I'm going in. And P.S. y'all, I really enjoy my bread with a little mustard and a few slices of turkey from the deli. Yum. All right, y'all, that's it. That's how you make nutty, buttery keto bread. I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.